Okay, welcome back to video classes. Already we learned in the last video in the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables, algebraic consistency. This is very important. Algebraic consistency. What is algebraic consistency? You know very well the general form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So these two are pair of linear equations in two variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now, how to check the consistency by using these special conditions? What are the conditions? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, by seeing these conditions, now we can say unique solution. If in the particular, you take any pair of linear equations and you check this condition, whether A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then we can say those two equations are having unique solutions. If it is unique solution, we can say that is consistency. So, consistency. Coming to a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, again that is nothing but a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In this particular situation, if this condition satisfies infinitely many solutions, then we can say those equations are consistent. Coming to this point, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, we can say no solution. If there is no solution, we can say those pair of equations, linear equations in two variables are inconsistent equations. Consistent means unique. Consistent means infinitely many solutions. Inconsistent, no solution. Now, today we are going to learn, already algebraic consistency is over. Now, graphical consistency. This is one type, that is one type. Now we are going to learn graphical consistency. Okay, here, now we are going to check graphical consistency. You know very well. You know how to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variables in the 9th class itself, but there is only one equation. So now we are going to draw the graphs of the pair of linear equations in two variables. This graph and this graph, these two should draw in only one graph paper. Okay, now you take if x is equal to 0, x minus 2y is equal to 0. So x in the sense 0, 0 minus 2y is equal to 0, 0 minus 2y is equal to 0, minus 2 into y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, into will be divided by transpose, minus 2 only, y is equal to 0. Therefore, what is the solution? First solution is 0, 0. Now, one more, I will rub this one. If x is equal to, here I will write x, y. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. First one is over. Next I will take 2. Put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to, we have to find. X minus 2y is equal to 0. 2 minus 2y is equal to 0. 2 minus 2y. Minus 2y is equal to 0. This plus will be minus 2. Minus 2y is equal to 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Understand? So 2y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 by 2. Into will be y is equal to 1. Therefore, here, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. This is the first table. For this x minus 2y, just I have taken only two values. If you want, you can take one more also.
3 is maximum. So more than 3 is not required. I have taken only 2 values. So this is the coordinates of first equation 0, 0, 2, 1. Coordinates of 0, 0, 2, 1. So first one is over. If you want, this is nothing but you know very well. The first x comma y, this is 0, 0. This is 2, 1. We can plot these points on a graph paper. These points 0, 0 and 2, 1. You know, you take 4 quadrants and plot the points. Now we'll go for the second equation. What is the second equation? 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. First, here I take 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to. So we can write y in terms of x. Without writing y in terms of x, directly I am substituting x value. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. 3x, 3 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 20. 3 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4y is equal to 20. 4y is equal to 20. So y is equal to 20 into 4 will be divided by 4. Y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. What is the first one? If it is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. 0, 5. The first one is 0, 5. We will write here 0, x and y. 0, 5. Now I take 4. Now I take 4. If x is equal to 4, if x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. 3 into x is 4, 3 into 4 plus 4y is equal to 20. 12 plus 4y is equal to 20. 4y is equal to 20 minus 12. 4y is equal to 8. 4y is equal to 8. 4 into y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 divided by 4. Y is equal to 2. Therefore, 4, 2. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. The ordered pair, the coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinate. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Okay, here you take the graph paper. If the graph paper is available at home, take the graph paper and draw this x-axis, y-axis, and you take, here I have taken only 2 points. If you are interested, you take one more point also. No need to take the same values, you can take different values. So actually this is from the textbook example. You can refer that example also. So this is the textbook example. The page number, textbook example page number I will say from the page number 41. Page number 41 onwards you can check. You can understand easily. So you take first equation x minus 2y, plot the points and join the points, you get a straight line. You take second equation, plot those points. This equation is nothing but 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. You get plot the points, join the points, and what is the main important thing is these two lines will intersect at one point. These two lines will intersect at one point, especially this particular example. Maybe those two are intersect at one point, 4, 2. That is nothing but 4, 2 is nothing but solution of the pair of linear equations graphically. No need to go for an elimination method, no need to go for substitution method, no need to go for cross multiplication method. If you know how to draw the graphs, draw those graphs. If those two lines are intersect at only one common point, that common point is in this case that is 4, 2. Definitely 4, 2 is the solution of these pair of linear equations in two variables. So in this case, only these two lines intersect at one point. So if the two lines are intersect at one point, exactly one solution. Unique solution. You can say unique solution. If it is a unique solution, you can say consistent. Already you know algebraic conditions. If it is unique solution, consistent. Very, very important. Graphically, take these two equations. Any of the equations you take from the textbook or Sony. So these two equations you take and draw the two equations. First, find the solutions for first equation. Find the solution for the second equation. Draw the graph. Same graph paper. For this one sum, for both the equation, only one graph paper. Don't take different graph papers. For this particular example, only one graph paper. So that only we can understand those two lines are intersect at one common point. That common point is nothing but in this case maybe 4, 2. That 4, 2 is the solution of the equation. 4, 2 is the solution of the equation. Understand? So this is first part. What is the first part? The two lines intersect. Intersect means exactly one solution. Intersect. Here I write intersect. Intersect means unique solution. Next, consistent. Very, very important. This point is very, very important. So whether it is correct or not, you have to check by drawing the graph. Otherwise, at least you learn by seeing the examples in our textbook, page number 41 onwards. In our NCERT textbook, this model is available. Okay? So this is second one. First one is completed. We got after drawing the graph, intersecting lines, unique solution. Intersecting means I said unique solution, consistent. Unique solution, consistent. Now, coming to here, graphical consistency, second model, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Now, first put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Y is equal to, we have to find. 2 into x, 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 9. 3y is equal to 9. Already 2 into 0, 0. That's what I have written. 0 plus 3y is equal to 9. That is nothing but 3y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. Into will be transpose. That's why x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. This is first one. Second one, for this table, if x is equal to x, y, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Next, if x is equal to 3, what is y? If x is equal to 3, what is y? So, 2x plus, if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. So not y is equal to plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. From that we will get y value. See here 2 into 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. 2 3 are 6. 6 plus 3y is equal to 9. 3y is equal to 9 minus 6. 3y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 by 3, y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. This is the first table. Just I have taken for the namesake, I have taken only two values for x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. I got the 3 and 1. Now I will take the same values there also, no problem. Here, for this table, I will take x, y, here 0, here 3. If you want, you can take different values also, no problem. If x is equal to 0, 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. 4 into 0 plus 6y is equal to 18. 4 into 0, 0 plus 6y is equal to 18. 6y is equal to 18 into will be divided by 6. 6y is equal to 18, 6y is equal to 18
y is equal to 18 divided by 6. What is the 18 divided by 6? 3. Y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Here also, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Now, we'll go for x is equal to 3, what is y value? X is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, y value 4 into 3 plus 6y is equal to 18. 12 plus 4 is 12. 6y is equal to 18. 6y is equal to 18 plus 12 will be minus 12. Plus 12. What? 6y plus 12 or 12 plus 6y? 6y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 by 6. Y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. You see, if you want, you can take different values. Here I have taken 0, 3. Here also I have taken 0, 3. Every student, you can take minus 1 and minus 3 also, no problem. Here, in this case, again, you take one Cartesian plane and take one graph paper, draw the Cartesian plane, x-axis, y-axis, and draw these two equations. So, you take these coordinates 0, 3, 3, 1 and plot the points on a single graph paper. You take, if you want, you can take only first quadrant. Here I have drawn 4 quadrants because all the values are positive. That's what you can take first quadrant. Otherwise, you take 4 quadrants, no problem. Here, plot the point 0, 3, 3, 1. So again, we take this equation and plot the point 0, 3, 3, 1. Here the main important thing is here 2 lines are there. One line is 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 is the another line. Here the most important point is the 2 lines are coincident. The 2 lines are coincident. If you draw the graph only, you can understand, otherwise you cannot understand. If you take different values also, the 2 lines are coincident. Here the line 1 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. The line 2 is 4x plus 6y is equal to 8. Those 2 lines will coincident. That is nothing but overlap. That is nothing but overlap. If the 2 lines will be coincident, that is nothing but overlap, we can say infinitely many solutions. We can say infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. If it is infinitely many solutions, we can say consistent. We can say consistent. The 2 lines will be coincident. In this case, by seeing only you can understand. You see, if these 2 equations are same. This is 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. This is also 4x plus 6y is equal to 18 only. If you multiply LHS and RHS, you get the same equation. By seeing those 2 equations, as to the last previous video also you know, these 2 equations are same. That's what, if you want, you can use the condition A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. By using that also, definitely you will get the condition, algebraic condition, so that you can say the 2 lines will coincident, infinitely many solutions, you can say consistent. What is that? Coincident. Coincident. Coincident means infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Next, if it is infinitely many solutions, consistent. Infinitely many solution, condition. Consistent. This is today's second important. So I am not drawing the graphs, but if it is possible, the graph papers are available with you. Just you draw the graphs. I will send the connecting videos for this also. Some videos I will send. So first watch this video. After that watch those videos, and then you go for assignment. Go for assignment. Now this is second one. Graphical consistency. First one, if the lines are intersect, unique solution, consistent. The lines are coincident. The coincident and nothing but overlap. Infinitely many solutions, consistent. Okay. Now we go for third one. One more, the third one. Already intersecting lines over coincident. Now what is the next one we find? So I have taken 2 equations. X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now you take in this, for this equation, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4, and find 2 solutions. If x is equal to 0, x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This x plus 2y minus 4, you can write x plus 2y is equal to 4. In this is substitute. What is x value? 0 plus 2y is equal to 4. Then 0 plus 2y, 2y. 2y is equal to 4. Then 2 into y is equal to 4 by 2, y is equal to 0 plus x plus 2y is equal to 4, 0 plus 2y is equal to 4, 2y is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. This is first part, y is equal to 2, first part. X is equal to 0, I got y is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to, how to find? Take the equation, x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to x plus 2y is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, that's why 4 plus 2y is equal to 4. So 2y is equal to 4, 2y is equal to 4 plus 2y is equal to 4. This plus 4 will be transposed to minus 4, that's why 2y is equal to 4 minus 4. 2y is equal to 0. That implies we can write y is equal to 0. Why? Because 2y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 by 2, 0. So if x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. Next, we take the second equation. If x is equal to 0, y, 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. This we can write 2x plus 4y is equal to 12. That implies 2 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 12. So 0 plus 4y is equal to 12. 0 plus 4y is equal to 4y is equal to 12. 0 plus 4y, 4y. So y is equal to 12 by 4 is equal to 3. Y is equal to 12 by 4 is equal to 3. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. This is first one. First one is over. Now we go to second one. 6. X is equal to 6. If x is equal to 6, y is equal to 2 into 6 plus 4y is equal to 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4y is equal to 12. Directly can cancel here and here. Otherwise, 4y is equal to 12 minus 12. This plus 12 will be minus 12. So I can say 4y is equal to 0. From that I can say y is equal to 0. 4y is equal to 0. 4y is equal to 0. How? 4y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 by 4. 0 by 4 is equal to 0. 0 by 4 is equal to 0. This into will be transposed divided by 0 by 4. 0 by 4 is equal to 0. Now here, if x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. Now this is first equation, this is second equation. Plot those points. I have taken only here 2, but if you want, you can take minimum, maximum 3 also you can take. Now here, if you take those points and take a graph paper, draw x-axis and y-axis, and first equation is 2x plus x plus 2y minus 4, and plot the point, join, you get a straight line. Second equation 2x plus 4y minus 12, and take the points and join those points. Plot the points. These points belongs to second equation. Plot the point, join the points. You get one more straight lines. Here most important thing is those two lines are not intersect. Those two lines will not intersect. Those two lines will not intersect in the sense those two are parallel lines. Instead of will not intersect, we can say those two lines are parallel. Those two lines are parallel. This is third one. Those two lines are parallel. If it is parallel, we can say no solution. We can say no solution. No solution.
If it is no solution, already know, if it is no solution, we can say inconsistent. We can say inconsistent. We can say inconsistent. This is the third one. Today's the main topic is graphical consistency. So we have taken first graph, second graph, third graph. If it is possible, already set the page number 41 or something else again. So this is first graph, this is second graph, this is third graph. If it is intersecting, unique solution, consistent. If it is coincident, infinitely many solutions, consistent. If it is parallel, no solution, inconsistent. So at least by seeing you learn the topic. Otherwise, once you better you try to draw the graphs. Try to draw the graphs. Then only you can understand easily. You know how to draw the graphs in 9th class itself. What is the difference between that and this? There only one line is there, we are drawing graphs. But here, this is one equation, this is one equation, simultaneous equations, pair of linear equations. So, but those two should draw in only one graph paper. Then only you can understand whether it is intersecting or coincident or parallel. Understand? So, I give some work to you. All of you do that work. That is whenever the graph book is available, I will write the page number. That is not assignment. So, whenever just learn this concept, I will send Google Forms for online test normally. But one thing you do, I give the page numbers. All of you practice those page numbers. But here only important point is we can find the solution of a pair of linear equations in two variables algebraically. We are having three methods. Graphically also you can check when it is possible. If the two lines are intersect only, we can say unique solution. What is the solution also? By seeing the graph paper, we can, I said no, overcome to the first example. So we can say easily by using graph also we can find the solution. In this class the main thing is we can find the solution of pair of linear equations in two variables graphically also, and some conditions. What are the some conditions? Graphical consistency. Graphical consistency. If it is intersecting or coincident parallel, if it is intersecting, unique, consistent, coincident, infinitely, many solution consistent, parallel, no solution, inconsistent. This is very very important. Now we give the page numbers, note down the page numbers. This is very very important topic, consistency and inconsistency, consistent and inconsistent. So all of you learn properly. So I will send for this video, I will send some YouTube links also. Watch those videos and then only go for that online assignment. Okay, thank you very much. Now I do. Okay, so we discussed about in the previous video algebraic consistency. Now the present video, graphical consistency. So graphical consistency, just I said. Now all of you just everybody is having NCERT and BK Sony. At least this is not today itself. You can take 3 or more days. These page numbers from the textbook, page number 41 to 48, there total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 examples are there. Here also some examples are there. So what is that? BK Sony also page number 3.4 to 3.11. Those examples, graph papers, already I think with you graph books are there. Maybe pages are there or not, I don't know. So take if it is possible, buy a graph book and practice these sums. Anyhow, I will explain once again, but better you practice once these all graphs. Already know how to draw the graph in 9th class itself. Just what is the main thing is there is only one equation here, two equations. That's why carefully take your own values. No need to copy the same from the textbook or VK Sony. Otherwise, if you want to take the same values and draw the graph and learn the concept when it is parallel, when it is overlap, that is the coincident and parallel and coincident and intersect. These three concepts you learn properly, and the last concepts also very very important. So, okay, thank you very much.